Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you make your party private so you can play with your friends without anyone interfering into your setting, into your party, and start messing up with you. So I'll show you how you can do this. It's pretty easy, and it changed actually from the chapters. It changed, the settings has changed. Previously you used to go on over here and make the party private from your own settings, but I'm going to show you how you can do that in the new settings of Fortnite. So we're going to navigate all the way to the top left, okay? And then once you're in this over here in the menus, you're not going to go to settings, but then you're going to go all the way to the top over here on your skin icon. Once you make this, you're going to need to make sure the party joinability is invite only. You need to make sure this is invite only, because once you make it friends, anyone who is your friends is going to be able to join your party, and party is going to be public. So make sure this is invite only. When you make this invite only, nobody is going to be able to join your party unless you invite them to your own party. So yeah, guys, that was it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this actually helped you, and drop a comment saying that actually thank you, that actually helped me. And yeah, see you later.